For today, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mochi and today I'm going to show you a very super easy DIY that you can do at home. All that you need is a shirt, a seam ripper and a sewing machine if you have, and that's it. So let's get started. So the shirt that I'm going to save is my brother's. It is actually a really decent shirt, but it has a kind of ripped in the collar area. I'm going to take it off and leave the collar stand alone, so it kind of creates that Mandarin collar look. So here I'm going to use my seam ripper to detach the collar from the collar stand. And then I'm going to do the top stitch along this area, and this is the leftover collar. So the back side it's actually still in a good condition, so I decide to flip it so the outside will be the inside and vice versa. I will open the side seam and tuck in the open side. And then drop stitch, and if you want you can add some closure at the front like snaps or button, and that's it. So that is for today's video. I hope you find it helpful and can save a shirt at your home. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like down below, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.